Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. Hope everybody is having a great day. Hope you're all getting ready. I feel like tomorrow could be an interesting one with the CPI readout. And in addition to all that's going on in the market, right? I mean, we're in the middle of earnings season, which is just adding more busyness to what has already been kind of like a crazy start to 2022, right? So I'm excited. I'm hoping for some good trading tomorrow. Um, Unrelated to that is what I feel like something that I talk about pretty frequently, which is correlations, right? And today, just kind of quickly, is this idea of what you probably heard me mention, or what I consider are catch-up trades, meaning one stock catching up to another, right? And but this is set up by correlation. So stocks that have historically traded together, right? For whatever reason, sometimes the performance can separate, right? One starts to outperform the other. Now, there could be good valid reasons for that. Like where one company is not executing well, the other one is. But sometimes it's just like a matter of like attention, or yeah, maybe one is executing better, but the other one has room to really kind of close the gap, right? So for me, I'm always like hunting for different opportunities for like these correlation trades, because if I see one stock going parabolic, then I'm like, okay, what trades with that, right? Why is one stock in this sector going absolutely crazy and the other stock's not moving, right? Right now, like that was something that I was looking at in aluminum. So um, Alcoa, which I'll pull up in a second, has had just a phenomenal few months. The stock is just powering higher, new highs, multi-year high. And when you look at other aluminum stocks, they're just not doing the exact same thing. So Century Aluminum, CENX, is like a smaller player in that space. And when I was pulling it up, I was like, wow, this is actually like a pretty nice bullish setup. Why has the performance been so dramatic? And again, I'm sure there might be some fundamental reasons why Alcoa is so significantly outperforming, but there might also be that opportunity for a catch-up trade, right? Because when I show, right, so basically for all of 2020 and then a good portion of 2021, these stocks were neck and neck, right? Just super closely correlated. Then all of a sudden, Alcoa really starts to separate, right? So now you have Century Aluminum, CENX, working on the top of 14-month resistance with the its biggest peer in the space just surging to a new high. And that to me is like an interesting trade opportunity, right? If CENX breaks out, maybe it starts to run. These stocks have historically traded together. The performance recently is separated, but maybe now there's an opportunity for a catch-up move, right? Whether that means like maybe Alcoa pauses or CNX starts to rally. It does seem like there's like a performance gap, and maybe that starts to narrow. Um, Whether or not CNX can break out remains to be seen, but it's right there, and it's something I'm keeping an eye on, right? So at the end of the day, I feel like doing that little extra work, seeing, you see one stock in a sector going nuts, maybe, do a few minutes, look at other peers, like what's traded with it in the past, what's like, high or mid to high 90s correlation. Why is it not moving? And then maybe sometimes it's just because it doesn't get enough attention, or maybe it's just waiting for that earnings release, and then maybe a catch up move off the earnings release or the catalyst, right? So there's a lot of opportunities out there. um, Even if you miss maybe like the banner move in that sector, there could be other opportunities. So, you know, do the little extra work, find the peers, find what's not moving, and then maybe look for like a good setup and see if there's possibility for that catch up move. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading options, like all these correlation type trades, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options in play. Have a great night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.